Checking installed stem height. All right, guys, so working on a 6.4 Power Stroke head here. I wanted to show you guys, I've had this question asked lots of times on my channel. To check installed stem height, you need to go from this edge right here where your spring is going to sit to the top of the valve. Now, this is the tool that I use. I've already set it to 0 or to flat 2 inch is what it is. So that is measuring for your installed stem height. So we're actually, according to this spec of head, we're actually a little bit too tall, so we'll have to surface some off of the valve. Anyways, that's all we're going to show on this one, guys. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. I appreciate you watching.